How to delete your PayPal account. Hi everyone, this is Keith here and welcome back to the video. And in this video, I will show you how you can delete your PayPal account. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to paypal.com and make sure that you're logged in with your account. So once you're logged in with your personal account, now to delete your account, click on the settings icon at the top right corner in the menu bar at the top. That's gonna take you to your account tab. Here you will have all of the details regarding your account. Now to delete your account, under this account tab, scroll all the way to the end. There is an option as close your account. Click on close your account. Now you will see this pop-up box in your interface that says, are you sure you want to close your account? Here is an information given here. Make sure to go through the information, and if you like to delete all of your data before closing the account, you could also do that. Click on this link here and then you could delete your data as well. Now to close your account, all you have to do is click on close account button, and with that your account will get deleted. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.